Hello guys, and welcome back to another Alight motion tutorial. Today we're going to create this bounce animation. It feels complicated and hard to create, right? It isn't as difficult as you think. This was just created using shapes. It won't take you much time to create. So if you're ready to learn, let's get started. First, we need to create a background for this animation. A background that has a blue sky and sunlight behind the ball. We are going to add later. So add a rectangle shape and stretch it to fill the composition area. Now, change the color to this type of gradient. After that, we need to add another rectangle shape again so we could place the ball on top of it to perform the bounce animation. Change the color to this gradient also. Now let's add a circle shape as the ball and also change the color of the circle to a gradient. Place the circle shape on top of this rectangle shape. Alright, it's time to animate it. Go to this rectangle shape layer and add the squeeze effect. Now follow my steps. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Add another one at 1.10 seconds. Another one at 2.20 seconds. And the last one at 4 seconds. Go to the second keyframe at 1.10 seconds and reduce the strength like this. Then go to the third keyframe and increase the strength this way. Make this type of keyframe animation graph. Copy it and paste it to all keyframes. Go to the second keyframe and make the graph look like this. Let's see what we just did. Looks cool, right? It's time to animate the ball. Now go to the position of the circle shape layer and add keyframes to it the same way we added them for the rectangle shape layer, but just add 3 keyframes. Go to the middle keyframe and drag the ball down. Go to the next keyframe and drag the ball upwards. And paste the keyframe we copied last time to all keyframes. There's a small problem here. When the ball is about to bounce out of the scene, it doesn't stay on top of the rectangle shape. To correct this, reduce the animation graph a little. Now it will stay on top of the rectangle shape until it bounces out of the scene. Let's watch what we just created again. Now you see that it doesn't really take you up to 10 minutes to create this type of animation. It's time to make the ball land back on the rectangle shape. But before we move on to the next part, I noticed that you haven't liked this video yet or hit the subscribe button. This way you are helping my channel be recommended to more viewers on YouTube. So if you haven't done that, now is the time if you want to keep seeing my content. Without wasting much of your time, let's get back into the video. Now to make the ball land back on the rectangle shape, go to the circle shape layer and add keyframe at 5 seconds and another one at 5.15 seconds and drag the ball down. Now, make this type of animation graph. Nice. When the ball lands on the rectangle shape, we want the rectangle shape to shake a little bit because of the force of the ball when it lands. Go to the position of the rectangle shape layer and add a keyframe at the point where the ball is about to land at 5.15 seconds and add 2 more keyframes. Make sure your keyframes look like mine. Go to the middle keyframe and bring it down a little, not much. And that's it. Let's preview our animation. Now you know how to create this type of animation. So what's next? Don't worry, I'll be uploading more tutorials in the coming weeks. So don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my content. And also, don't forget to share this video.